Okay. Well, this test basically proves that these windows are air leaking. This window is in a bedroom, just to show that it is a bedroom. It is a bedroom. And also the living room. You saw the test with candle, and I can also perform the test the same as here. You can see that smoke doesn't go straight, it just goes all ways around and doesn't go straight as it should. And I have to say that I've closed the vent especially for this test, so oops, currently there is no such thing like draft from the vent could be or anything. So, and this is the smoke.